Alrighty guys, so check it out. We're on episode 2 here. Uh, Basically, I'm just going to be installing the floorboards on this FXRT. If you are just checking in, this is a video series. This is the second video to this build. Basically, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get to Born Free, Texas. I got about 60 days. This motorcycle here, again, converting it back to an FXRT/D. Obviously, the VIN's going to show it as an FXRT. I'm going to basically make an FXRD. The only thing I'm not going to have is the lower plastics. Okay, so floorboards got very lucky. We had them at the shop. Actually have 2 sets of them. Again, for an FXRD, of course. So I'm going to wash them up a little bit, show you what I have, and then we're going to get right to the install. Okay, obviously the easy side first. This one is basically just 4 bolts. It didn't take me no time at all to get this one knocked out. The other side was definitely kind of a pain in the butt, but I was able to get it handled with an extra bit of time. Had to change some bolts out on this one too, make them a little bit longer. There's some very weird sizes there. I think I was at like an inch, and then some at an inch and a half. But make sure you bring your blue locks out, of course, especially on something that you're going to be, putting your feet on for a long ride. So just hang out, check it out, and we'll get to the other side shortly.
What up, YouTube? All right, so back on FXRT, like I said, got them FXRTD floorboards started. I gotta do the other side. That one's a little bit more work. But if you're new to this little channel here, please like, subscribe. Check out some Chrome Link t-shirts. I got some Chrome Link hats on the website, chromelink.com. Purchase you something. I got some stickers on there also. Help me get to Born Free, Texas in October. I'm like at 60 something days now. So the biggest part obviously is going to be the transition of the fairing, but I'm working on that. I got some tins off to powder coat. Excuse me, not tins, some brackets off to powder coat. So I should be getting them sometime this week. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you.
Alrighty, I'm sorry about the music. I had a fan sitting next to me and it kind of messed up my audio, so I apologize. But it's pretty straightforward. Pulled the exhaust off, got everything out of the way, undoing the crash bar here. The only thing that I actually kind of had a hard time with was getting this jack shaft piece in. It goes from the aluminum block there to the actual brake reservoir. That was difficult, no doubt about it. If you know an easier way, shoot me a comment. Help me learn, of course, on something like this. I don't know everything. I work on motorcycles pretty often, but this one is kind of new to me, of course. So once I finally got that all done, you'll see me kind of struggle through here and get it figured out. It was pretty much a breeze after that. I'm super excited to get to ride it and check it out with these floorboards on here. Alrighty, as I'm finishing up here, went on like a breeze, like I said, got everything done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Next week I'm going to get the fender off. It's got some cracks in it. I need to replace it so I can get the saddlebags on. I got some brackets coming from the powder coat guy. We're going to get all that stuff done next week, so I appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, get on chromelink.com, get your shirt, and please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Thank you.